Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1 DJ Store. Got a rather unusual product I'd like to show you today, something brand new. It's been a while since we've done a video, and that's because I like to do some unique products. And I think this is a very unique product. This is a brand new lighting company on the market, which I'm sure we'll be doing some more videos of some of their unique product. And it's Marq Lighting. Marq spelled M-A-R-Q, as it is on the bag over here. Right, this is the Rezo tube pack. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to strip it apart. We're going to show exactly what comes in the pack. It's basically, it's eye candy, as you can see. It's running there. A couple of little things. It'll run, you know, it's like a master slave, so you can link several packs together. It comes with a control unit, comes with leads, comes with different stands. But like I say, we're going to take it in the back room and we're going to show you all the bits and how we've got this set up and working. A couple of little things I'd like to mention though. This will work using the ClingNet software, so you could basically pixel map this. I don't know whether you've seen on YouTube some of the videos of stuff when you're pixel mapping it using tubes in nightclubs. It can look absolutely stunning because you can get a hold of every single LED and just do any amount of stuff with this. And it's got all the connections on the controller for that system, and I'll show you. DMX channels, we've got 9 channels of DMX or 480, so that tells you there's a lot of control over this using either a DMX desk, but I think if you want to go into 480 channel mode, I think you're possibly using the ClingNet system. That is a system I've never used before, so I'll not be demoing that. I don't have any ClingNet software, so it's not going to be for me on this demo, which would have been good, but unfortunately I'm going to show you what it does when you just buy it and get it out of the box. So without further ado, let's take it into the lighting showroom and show you all the bits it comes with. Right, one of the really nice things about this system is it comes in a bag. So all the tubes, all the controllers, all the leads, all fit in this bag. Now, let me tell you, it weighs around about 3 kilo. I think it's just less than 3 kilos, so it's nice and lightweight. I'll give you some sizes. Got my tape measure. Here we go. We have got 41 inches from end to end. We've got about 11 inches by about 8 inches. All approximate measurements then, but I know that helps. So inside here we have got all our bits and bobs. And what I might do is I will take the camera off the stand, bring it a bit closer so you can see what's inside. Let's open the bag up and see what's inside. So, undoing the zip, we've got a foam lid, and then we've got 5 tubes inside here. Now while we've got them in front of us, we'll do some measurements. These tubes are just over 38 inches long, about 38 now. 38, yeah, just over 38 inches, and they come with a little lead attached to the bottom. I'll give you the length on that as well, again in an approximate measurement. From there, these are again approximates. That's about 13.5 inches. Okay, so there's, and you'll see the fixing on the end of there. Let me just see if I can just focus the camera up a second. Being my own cameraman again. So it's like a 5-pin lead which is going to fit into the controller. There we are. Sorry, forgive my camera work, I am my own cameraman. Right, so it screws and fixes on as well. So we've got 5 of those. We'll just get those out. 1, 2, 5. Also in the box we have this, which is the stand that you saw earlier in the video, which we can put all 5 tubes into, and I'll show you how they fix in there as well, and it sits on the floor. What's also quite nice about this is you could fix this to a lighting stand as well, and it's a double yoked stand that will sit like that, but we'll show you how they fit in. So there's one of those comes in the pack. Also in the pack we have some single holders, so if you just want one tube, there we go, you can sit that down, and again we're going to show you how they fit in, and you can put one tube into one stand. So imagine I imagine we get 5 of those in the box as well. Also coming in the box we get the controller, and it's got the 5 outputs which are on thread, so these aren't going to pull out. When you connect the leads in, they thread on. We can access, it's got like a digital memory menu here, and you'll be able to select sound to light, select the programs. When I've had it working in the shop, what I've done is I've put it on mix, and basically what that does is it runs through all the patterns. But I do believe, and we'll go through, I think there's about 20 or 30 programs, but we'll have a look at that when we turn the unit on. We've got DMX in and DMX out, and like what I was talking to you before, when we can use the CleanNet software, what I'll do is, let me just focus that up again. There we go. When we can use the CleanNet software, you would use these sockets here. Unfortunately, I don't have that software, and I'll be honest as well, I'm not going to lie, I don't know anything about it. So we're not going to be able to demonstrate that in this video. But this comes in the box, so that's there as well. And it comes with a power lead, which is going to be very helpful. And it comes with some extension leads as well. So these are to go onto the end of the tube, so if you want to extend them a little bit further. And I'm guessing that we'll be able to. These are all male to female, so we could join these along. And that, let's measure these. This will be a good idea. So, that again, it's about just over 39 inches. About 39.5 inches long, or in new money, it's a metre long. Yeah, it's a metre long lead. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Now obviously if you want to put them on separate stands, you could put one at a metre, then connect the other two together, make them longer and shorter, and I'm pretty sure this is a fairly standard lead, and we'll be able to get hold of spares and these in different lengths. And then also it looks like it comes a 3-pin XLR, quite an unusual looking one as well. Never seen an XLR lead like that. Let's see, 1 second. Just zoom that up there. Right, XLR to XLR, must be to connect the DMX. Just quickly looking at the bag, you can see it's like a foam filled bag. It's quite well made, you know, it's not super duper, but I think at the price point that this product is at, I think it's probably bang on the money, and I expect this kind of quality. And it's got the little sections here to put the tubes in and all the bits and bobs. Right, in the next bit of video, we'll connect the tubes into the sockets. Right then, what we're going to do is we're just going to show you the single stands, and I'm going to show you how they fit together. All I've got is a lead going in, got one connected on the controller, which we'll do some close-up of as well. But if I just come to the front of the camera, I'll show you how this works. Right, so we have our stand, we place it into there, the lead comes out to the either to the left or the right of it, it pops in, and there is a little, can you see? Let me just focus again. It locks in. So it pops in and pops back out again. Right? And then basically all you need to do is plug it in. So what we'll do is we'll put this straight in here. And look at that, comes straight to life. So we've got 2 of them working there. Now basically using this menu system on here, we can go into auto mode and press enter. We can change the speed. We can change the program, press enter. The minute I've got it on mix, so it's going to do all its programs. But we have got 29 individual programs. I'm not going to go through them all. But as you can see, we can change these 29 built-in programs without using any DMX or anything else like that. I think this product will be stunning using the CleanNet software and, you know, pixel mapping this and scaling it up, maybe having, you know, imagine 20 packs of these all programmed up. Absolutely epic. But I also think this would be great for mobile DJs, a plug and play item. I think it's simple to use. I think it's effective. I think there's a lot of problems in venues these days where we can't use smoke, we can't use haze, and, you know, come on, we need some lights. So this is a bit of eye candy for the front of your show. I've got them on separate stands here at the minute. What I'll do is we'll show them in sound mode, but I'll put them into the fan bracket so we can see them in the fan bracket. Oh, these are adjustable as well, so they have like a little locking nut. And what I found is, you know, you can get them fairly leant over. That's about as far as we can get it to lean there. You know, so you could be quite creative with it. Obviously there is a point of balance where it will just tip too far and tip over. But I just think it's a really smart product. It looks like there's a lot of work, DMX work being done here, but not anybody can get this, plug it in and basically get some real stage eye candy going on. Let's show you with the fan and with some sound on as well. Now currently I've just got that in auto mode on that mix program, so it's just going to go through all its bits, but let me tell you, this is the only light that's on in this room, and it's casting quite a lot of light out, so it washes a bit of light into the room as well. See how the back wall's changing colour? So I think, you know, it acts as a bit of a colour wash as well. It is going to bring something, as well as the eye candy factor, to the show. I think a couple of these on either side of your disco look stunning, or band, or any live performance. I think anything stage wise would work well. You might go to the length of putting them down the side of the room, depends how far you want to go. You can obviously link more and more packs together. You will need a controller for each pack, but you could link them master and slave. But I think that looks absolutely stunning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it into sound mode and we'll have a look at it in sound to light. One thing I forgot to mention, and of course it's very, very important, it looks great from all angles because it's a tube, so it's 360 degrees, so it looks great from the back and it looks great even from the side. It just looks really, really good. I've got to say, I think I prefer it in auto mode. I just think the LEDs run a lot smoother instead of trying to go to the beat of the music. I just think the patterns flow so much better. I feel like that about lasers as well. I like lasers not in sound to light mode, I just like them in auto mode, because I just think they run more fluidly, but I think the patterns on there run so much better just in auto mode. So there you go, something a little bit different. I like to see things coming out that's different. It's not everybody's taste, I understand. I think it looks really good on the little fan stand, as I'm calling it, so you can fan them out. It's fairly easy to set up. I think it's great eye candy. I think it's good to look at. It's simple to use. You don't, I mean, basically when you plug in the tubes into the controller, you don't have to have them in a certain order, just stick them in anyway, and it just seems to work. I just think it's something a little bit different. So remember, it comes with all the tubes, that stand, the controller, the extension leads, the individual stands as well, the bag. The price it's at, I think it's his money. I think it's really, really good. I'm suitably impressed with that. They're going to be our Christmas decorations in the window for Christmas this year at Phase 1, definitely. I think it looks really, really good. Everyone that's come in the shop this weekend and seen them, it's really caught the eye. If you'd like some more information, click the link in the description to this video on YouTube and it will take you through to our website. And that is a brand new lighting company called Marq. I'm sure we're going to be seeing some more of their products, but if they're going to bring me products like this, where there's something different, I'm interested. Let's make it phase 1. Cheers.